Okay, the last one we're going to talk about is conditional relative frequency. Conditional relative frequencies. Okay, these are computed with respect to only the observation in a particular row or column. Alright, so like, we're just going to look at males. Okay, so what we're going to divide by would be the total of males. So if we said, if the applicant is male, what's the probability he would be hired? Alright, so you're going to look at hired, and then you're going to divide it by the 38, which is the total number of males. Okay? What do you get as a... .263, so we would have 26%. Alright, so if an applicant is female, so just look at the females, okay, what is the probability she would be hired? So 30 divided by 58. Okay, which this rounds up to 52%. Okay. Now looking at these numbers, what does these relative frequencies tell you about discriminatory hiring practice at Paulo's Pizza Palace? If you're a female and you go in to apply for a job, what are the chances you're going to get hired? If you're a male going in to apply for a job, what is your percentage of getting hired? Okay, so based on these numbers, what do you think about Paulo's discriminatory hiring practices? Maybe? We're going to say based on the data. But it's just based on data. Okay, so the bottom of this is just a summary over the different types of relative frequencies we talked about. So if they're going to ask you for joint frequency on the table, it's just a quick glance. You can look here and you can say, okay, well, I'm doing an individual cell divided by the grand total. Okay, if they're asking you for marginal relative frequency, then you're going to do either a row or a column total, okay, depending on which one they're asking for, divided by the grand total. And then if they're asking you for conditional relative frequency, okay, this is going to be a cell total over like a row or column total, okay, depending on what observation they're asking you for. Alright, finish the worksheet and you guys will be done for the day.